If you want to set a custom keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy A57, then in that case we need to download a third-party app and that allows us a third-party keyboard that allows us to customize the keyboard theme. So if we go to the Play Store, of course, you can simply search for keyboard, but in my case I'm gonna use Gboard, which is the Google keyboard. It allows us to create our own theme. So let's install the keyboard app. And then once it is installed, of course, we want to open it straight away. We will have to set it up, but it is really easy. So once we open it, we're going to tap on Enable in the settings. Over here, we need to tap on the switcher on the right side, right next to Gboard, of course, and we're going to press OK. We're going to go back, and over here now we need to choose Select Input Method, and we need to choose a Gboard to be used by default on our phone. And we're going to tap on Done. We should be able to immediately open the settings of the keyboard. So if you manage to immediately jump to the settings of Gboard, you want to go to Theme, and then in here we have My Themes. But in case you don't have the Gboard settings open straight away, you will have to go to Settings, scroll down over here and open General Management. And then here we should be able to find Gboard settings. And if you have Samsung keyboard settings instead, although I'm pretty sure you should have Gboard settings because we have set this keyboard as the default one, but if for some reason not, you can go to keyboard over here and you can tap on a Gboard and you should be able to open these settings. All right, so now that we have the theme menu opened, we should be able to tap on My Themes in here on this plus button. Now we can choose the photo that we wish to use for the background. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We can of course make some adjustments. We can zoom in and zoom out pretty easily. So let's say I'm gonna adjust the photo a little bit. There we go. Now we can tap on the next. We can adjust the brightness of the photo, and we can tap on Done. There we go. We can also toggle key borders. So if you want to use them, or if you don't want to use them, you can tap on the switcher, tap on Apply, and that's pretty much it. Now we have our own custom theme on the keyboard. Leave a like and subscribe.